Today we are back in Helen, Georgia, and you know what that means. A new journey awaits. Today we are going to check out the Georgia Mountain Coaster here in Helen, Georgia. Are you ready to ride? Let's get a parking spot and check out what this coaster is all about. Even on a rainy looking day, you can enjoy Helen. Come on, let's go on a journey. Join me on a journey like never before as we explore new places. That's right, a journey through an Appalachian heart. First things first, we gotta get our ticket, sign some waivers, and then make our way to the boarding station. This is where the excitement begins. And don't forget those rules if you have never rode a mountain coaster. Just make sure you buckle up and enjoy the ride.
Yeah, get on number 11.
Was that not exciting or what? We officially conquered the Georgia Mountain Coaster. See you next time. Please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. I can't wait to see you on our next journey as we explore a journey through an Appalachian heart.